Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Lingua Traveler. Welcome if you're new. My name is Catherine and today I am starting my Belarus vlog. So I am leaving for Belarus with my dad, my grandma, and other relatives that live there, as well as my dad's brother. And yeah, the main reason why we're going there is because my grandma lives there, and yeah, we just want to meet her, see her again. We go there pretty frequently. I've been there so many times and spent so many summers there. Like, I've never actually spent an entire summer there. The longest I think was 2 weeks, but yeah, it's still, I have so many childhood memories from there. It's just awesome. And yeah, this year me and my dad are going for just 1 week, and honestly I don't know if you are even gonna see this video because we are gonna be in the cottage house all day long pretty much, and just like gonna visit some relatives. We're not gonna go traveling around the country because honestly we are a little bit scared and a little bit like not scared, but you have to be very careful in Belarus these days. And yeah, we're just actually I just want to spend as much time as possible at my grandma's house with her because like I said, we go there once a year or even less. The last time we were there 3 years ago, and that's a long time. And you never know, but my grandma is the kind of person that I just click so well, and it feels like when I talk to her, it feels like we weren't even separated, you know what I mean? So yeah, we are going through Lithuania, and right now this year we don't need visa for Belarus. Usually we need visa, and yeah, like this year we don't, and we're gonna see how it goes. So yeah, let's go. So we are currently in Lithuania already. We are going through Lithuania. So basically there is a Latvian-Belarusian border, but it's kind of the same distance between if we go just in Latvia or if we go through Lithuania. And Lithuanian border is a little bit better. It's a little bit like smoother. And so yeah, we are now in Lithuania, just had a little stop, and yeah, we have about 1 hour until Vilnius. So we have arrived. We spent an hour and a half on the border control zone, which is really not a lot at all. It was like 3 minutes on Lithuanian border and almost an hour and a half on Belarus border. And yeah, now I'm in the garden and I just came to pick up cherries because there's like a ton of them. So let's do it together. And the doggy is always asking me for food these days. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Come here, come here, come here. His name is Toby. Hi. Cutie, my little cutie friend. Мой хороший, мой дружок. Мой хороший дружок. Ты мой дружок? Тобик, ты мой дружок? Yes, yes. My grandma also has some hens, but they're tiny and they're not giving eggs yet. But yeah, nice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it wasn't too long or too interesting, and yeah, my grandma is old and she doesn't have like cows or like big like real village cottage house, and it's not aesthetic, but yeah, I just wanted to show you the slow life that I've been living the past week. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.